In this video, I'll show you how to change your password or passcode on Revolut, which is the code you use every time you open the app. So, first things first, go ahead and open the Revolut app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen. From there, go to Account Settings. Now you'll see an option to change passcode. Tap on that. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify yourself, either with facial recognition or another verification method. Just follow the prompts to complete that step. After that, you'll get the screen to enter your new passcode. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Once entered, you'll need to verify it again by typing it a second time. And that's it. Your passcode is now updated, and you can continue using the app as usual. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it really helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.